People often ask me how to make a viral video. Is there a trick to getting your video famous? Well, yes, there are quite a lot of tricks to making a video viral. Watch till the end for the exact steps. Hey you, I'm Dee. Welcome back to Nut for Your Thought. This is episode 4 of YouTube Success Unlocked series. Go on and save the entire playlist so you can watch it whenever you want. I make videos about making money online through YouTube, Fiverr, blogs, and affiliate marketing. If there's a way to make money online, I will make a video about it. I'm on a mission to end the 9-to-5 rat race. Subscribe if you're into that stuff. Comment if you want me to make a video about something specific. So, what makes a video viral? When would you call it viral? If a video has more than 100,000 views, it is a viral video. All you need is one viral video to ensure the future of your channel. Watch till the end because I have a genuine surprise for you. As per my research, there are 2 major factors that make a viral video. This is the easy one. All you gotta do is go through what is popular on YouTube. Go to the Explore section of YouTube and select Trending. Go through the Trending tab for about half an hour or maybe longer till you find a trend that you can jump on and make a video about it. Now the key is not to copy the trend exactly. Nobody wants to see a duplicate video. Think of how you can improvise on the trend. Innovation is the key here. No one is asking you to come up with a trend. For example, Logan Paul is not a YouTuber who came up with vines, but he sure got famous because of it. Believe me, it's not about who gets there first. It's about innovation and being unique. Let's discuss the second and the most important factor that decides if your video will be viral. If this video gets 100 likes, I will put out a PDF for the checklist that I use for myself for making viral videos. This is a crazy trick that I have picked up and I haven't heard any YouTuber talk about it. But I don't care. I love you and I want you to get millions of views. So listen very carefully. Get a notepad if you want. Ranking high on YouTube is difficult but not impossible because you got me. No, seriously, with right tools and proper technique, you can be the next PewDiePie. Making great content doesn't promise you success. You need 2 most important tools: vidIQ and vidly. Title of the video, description, and the tags used on the video helps YouTube rank your video higher. Check out the video on 5 tools you need as a YouTuber. vidly is a software that will give you 20 to 30 tags, description, and title ideas to rank high on YouTube. You just need to put in the concept of your video and it gives you multiple viral ideas that you can choose and modify. This is used by a lot of YouTubers for their viral content. Again, watch my detailed video about important tools for success on YouTube. The surprise I have for you is a link in description for the viral video maker tool vidly, and you won't believe the discount I've scored. vidIQ is a Chrome extension that lets you analyze other viral videos, so you can use the similar title, description, or tags as the viral video. Best part? It's free. So go on and add that to your Chrome. So every time you come across a great video that you might be interested in, vidIQ will tell you what tags were used and even what they did wrong while uploading. So you can fix that and make even better video than your competition. Getting recommended on the viral video will also make your videos famous. How to do that, you ask? Your description will do that for you. Copy the URL for that viral video and put it in your description. While uploading your video, write inspired by YouTuber blah blah and check out the video. And then the URL. Now YouTube thinks that your video is related to the viral video. So when uploading your video, write in the description, inspired by Nut for Your Thought, add the URL for my video, and the next time anybody who will be watching my video will get your video in the recommendation. Damn, that's sneaky. I'm awesome. Again, I have scored 80% discount on vidly, so you can download the software and start making viral videos right away. This offer is just for my folks, so go on and get it. Link in description. So that's how you make a viral video. Try it out yourself and let me know in the comments. Show me some love in the comments, hit the subscribe already. My videos are crazy helpful and you know it too. Hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop gems. My name is Dee, this is Nut for Your Thought. I love you and I'll see you in the next one.